Remember, I give you passage on the Miss Slippery. Passage number second on second part. Read the following passage and do the activities. Simple factual activities. Choose the correct option and rewrite the complete sentences. First, it was first time that Sally was lavished with love, dash, by her mother, by her teacher. Choose the correct option. Second, Sally was happy that she wanted dash to chuckle. Third, the teacher told Sally to bring notebooks dash to the teacher's room. Fourth sentence, by the end of the day, Sally found dash in moving about her still wet frock. No awkwardness, arrogance. Passage number 4, text page number 2021. Excitement made my face dash while returning home. Question number A2, complex factual activity. Answer the following question. Why did Sally feel like rejoicing a lot? Second question, how did Sally react this time to the teasing? Third question, what responsibilities did the teacher give Sally? And fourth question, what great change had come over in Sally's heart? A3, activity based on vocabulary. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective. First word is joy, second count, third tear, fourth thread, fifth forget, and sixth care. Now second question, add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. First is honor, content, responsible, fourth complete. Then third question, find words expression from the passage which are similar in the meaning to. Filled and increased in size. Second most important, an uncountable feeling. Third, fourth magical. A4, activities based on contextual grammar. Remembering the teacher's words, I turned my back to them. Begin the sentence with I dash and rewrite the sentence. So, second sentence, I rushed enthusiastically and completed the assigned job in a jiffy. Begin the sentence with rushing and rewrite it. Last question, A5, personal response. Why should a teacher build good rapport with her student? So solve this passage in your notebook and complete it.